So this channel is all about showing you how to make money from your smartphone at the comfort of your homes, right? So in this video, I'll show you how to automate your trades using AI on Bybit. So if you're the type that wants to trade, but you don't know how to do analysis, you don't know how to read the charts, you don't know what candlesticks are, I'll be showing you how you can automate your trades using AI in Bybit. I mean, this is a feature Bybit already has enabled, and a lot of people are not using it to make money, bro. Currently in the AI era, and if you're not making money with AI automations, AI agents, and whatnot, then you're missing out on a lot of money, right? So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and let's dive right in. So first things first, you should understand that the trading bots, the one you're seeing here with the hot stuff on the top, is quite different from what we are discussing in this video. In this video, we're talking about AI, using AI to trade or automate your trades or to analyze your charts and give you signals and trade for you even, right? So basically, we are talking about AI automation using AI to trade, and this is now integrated into Bybit, right? It's a new feature which I will be showing you guys how to use, how to set it up, and how to make money from it. So let's just dive right into the video. Just click on this icon here, and then you click on this logo you are seeing on the top right with the image, right? Just click it, and now we have some accounts already. So what I have to do is just create a new account. So if you want to create the account, you'll be creating it with this one I said, introducing AI sub accounts. What I told you is a new feature that Bybit recently integrated into the platform, and a lot of people have been looking for ways to use AI to trade. I mean, this one is the easiest, using AI agents to trade. I mean, it's a trade for you and give you signals and just basically makes you money while you are without your phone, right? And that's very crazy, bro. So let's click on try now. So you see something like sub accounts, nicknames, make it easy to know which sub account you are moving. So basically you have to put in a name, right? I used account 1, account 2, I can use AI agent or my AI trader or whatever name you are comfortable with. So the money in your main wallet is going to be moved to this account you'll be using to trade, right? Now the names is something that you can use to differentiate between the AIs you are using. I mean, you might be using one AI for this particular account, using the next AI for the other account. The names are what you use to differentiate. So you can use my main AI, or my main AI, or account 2, or AI test 1, right? So let me just use my main AI account. Just, you don't need to space. If you are spacing it, it doesn't work. So you can't space. You must write all of them together, right? That's basically it. Now account type, AI sub account for AI agents. Remember, this is for AI agent. The agent is what trading for you, right? Not the bots. Like I said, this one is quite different from trading bots. This one is AI agents that are going to be trading for you, analyzing the chart, going into trades. Remember, you might go into loss and then we go into profit. I mean, you just automated, right? You're not the one doing this now. So you were selecting AI account, that you want AI to be the one in charge of this account to be trading it, right? Dedicated sub account with customizable limits for AI agents. So we set those stuff. I'll show you how to set it up, right? So now you have the standard one, which features sub accounts with independent login. Now that's not what we're interested in. We're interested in this particular first one, which is the AI agent, right? So let's just create it up, right? So once you create the account, right, this is what you will see next. AI sub accounts created. The account is ready with secure default settings active. So this is this one. All this you're seeing now is the default settings, but I mean you have to customize it to our own test, right? So just go to customize the settings, right? So transfer in, set an asset cap before enabling transfer in. So setting an asset cap, I think we should be using a specific amount, which is not like that much, right? So limit the total assets in this account. So 5,000 is the maximum, right? Let me just put it at 1k, right? So mine will just be at 1k, right? So let me just save this. So transfer, allow your AI agent to transfer access to your master account and other sub accounts. So if you make profits or you have your money in these sub accounts, these AI accounts, well, after trading, you can allow the AI to transfer it out to your main account. Remember, this is not the main account, this is a sub account for the AI agent, specifically for the AI agent, right? So you can just set this in, or you can do it manually by yourself. So let's just do it manually. I mean, the AI is doing a lot of work already, so you'll just leave the rest for him. So funding to unified trading accounts. So your unified trading account, the agent cannot control transfers from funding accounts to UTA. From the funding to UTA means the AI can send money that you have in your funding account to your unified trading account so that it can enable it trade for you, right? So you should just leave this on. UTA to funding account, the same way, vice versa. So you can just leave this on as well. Margin leverage, set maximum margin leverage for the agent. So the leverage is very important aspect of this. You have to be careful where you set your leverage at 5x, 2x, 10x. Now, depending on the capital, anyways, you remember 1x is just the capital, 2x is times 2 of your capital, 3x, 5x is times 5 of your capital. And remember, even though it makes you more money, it might make you lose more money, right? The more you're earning, the more you're most likely to lose, right? That's vice versa as well, right? So putting the leverage of 1x, 2x, 3x is very important aspect. So if you're setting it, you have to be cautious and know what you're doing, right? So I'll be using a $50 to $100 capital on this. So yeah, even if I'm using like 2x is like double. If I'm using $50, it means $100. If I'm using $100, it means $200, right? So just put as 2x and be conservative with this, right? So the leverage I'm using is 2x. You can set this manually, and it's very important aspect. You should first set this first of all, even before other stuffs, right? Because it will make the AI be more conservative while trading. Contract leverage, set maximum contract leverage. Let's just put this one as 5x. Let me just put it as 5x. That's the maximum, right? So 5x is still conservative, right? So yeah, let's just put that. All futures take profit, stop loss, maximum TP and stop loss for future positions. So because I'm using $1,000, I'll be tolerating these settings towards $1,000. Now this TP and SL is where you put it automatically that the trade should actually be conservative or you want it to go all out. So because I'm using $100, you can see here it writes cumulative PNL should be greater than 105. That's the profit because of the amount I'm using should be greater than $105. So I'll be putting $300. Now this is 30% of my account, right? And the stop loss I'll be making it $150. Like if I'm losing, this is like 1-to-1. I'm risking $150 to make $300. Now this gives the AI room to trade. Now remember, the more stop loss you have open, the more you are most likely to get hit out, or the more take profit you have, the more you are most likely to make more money. I mean, that's how it complements each other, the stop loss and take profit, right? Every single trade, you should know this, every single trade you enter, you have the likelihood to make money or lose money. Remember, this is not financial advice. This video is actually for educational purposes solely, right? So you should note these things and know it before you go ahead and setting it up. So you should as well read the instructions here. Like number 2 says, when your cumulative P&L reaches the target, all future positions close at market price. So when these targets are hit, it closes automatically at the market price. So let's just confirm this. And yeah, we are done with everything about this particular type of selling, right? So now the next part is to go back and connect to AI agents. Now this is the most interesting part, and this is where the fun starts, right? This is where the money making starts, bro. So go beyond human limits, unlock new possibilities with AI. So copy the demand below. Remember, read the instructions. Copy the demand below and send it to your AI agent. Now, the AI agents are a lot. There are a list of them, right? But they are the popular ones like ChatGPT, you have the OpenCloud, you have the Cloud Code. Whichever one you are interested or you are most likely or you are already using, right? You can use this as your AI agents. So if you copy this particular stuff, that's copied already, right? And paste it to your AI agents, right? Any of them, either OpenCloud, Cloud, ChatGPT, whichever one you like, it will automatically generate a public key, right? Now, you will not say how, because this is already set up in a way whereby as long as you paste this in that your AI, it will automatically generate a public key. This public key is what you now paste into this option you see here, and that's basically it. Immediately you put in the public key, this is already set up. This new sub account is already set up. Remember, this sub account is different from a main account. This sub account, it will be managed by an AI. It doesn't have access to your main account where your fundings are. It only has access to this particular one where it has the public key given or generated, which you put in here, and it starts reading for you. It does the analysis, it reads the chart. The AI does all these things. It's basically automated, right? It takes the trade even when you're not with your phone. Now this video is the tutorial part where we set it up. In the next video, I will go in all practical and showing you how it actually works and how much you can make, and basically everything you need to know about the profitability, whether it's in loss. So if you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber and you haven't subscribed, you can only do and wait for the next update, bro. So let's go.